Han, kaway ka. Kwento mo kung ano ginagawa natin.
Roto ba yan? Roto ba yan?
Mali, dapat dito ako.
Yun o, video mo yan o. Yan.
Hindi makita, may araw.
Tapos ako ka naman. Ayun o.
Fresh from Bulacan daw.
Next is Miss Remia Lima.
Okay, where's mom?
Is she here? Okay.
Okay.
Next one is
Alright.
Maria Seller.
Wow! Si ma'am, kaway na kaway. That's the energy! Woo!
Alexandra, dapat ganyan talaga, di ba? Enjoy natin yung sunset.
Yes. We have to enjoy the view. Especially the handsome guys.
Next
There.
is Mrs. Alma Huyaban. Mrs. Alma Huyaban, where are you?
Ito na. So,
Okay, darating daw
nasa
siya.
Silica Beach na po kami.
Next is Miss Bebing Prado.
Ito na Silica Beach. Ngayon ako nakapunta sa Silica Beach.
Wala ka. Ay, baka nagbili.
Oo. Yan.
Please,